Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel Finch Plus subscription. Finch Plus is a premium subscription in the Finch self-care app that unlocks extra features, and if you decide you no longer want to keep your subscription, you can cancel anytime and stop future billing while still keeping access until the end of your current period. So if you have subscribed through the Apple's App Store, here's how you can. You need to select to your settings on your iPhone, and over here you need to find your subscription, and over here you can find your Finch in your list of active subscription. If you have, you can tap cancel subscription anytime, confirm the cancellation when prompted, and after cancelling, Finch Plus will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle, but it will not renew. And cancelling a Finch Plus subscription is a simple process and can be done at any time through your device's App Store or the Google Play Store. Once cancelled, you will continue to enjoy your Finch Plus features until the end of your current billing period, after which your account will automatically return to your free version, and your Finch pet progress, goals and reflection will remain safe and unchanged. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like and share. If you have any confusion or query, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.